Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your 1-point perspective unit. Please remember to complete all your classwork during your regularly scheduled class time if you can. If not, just make sure you submit everything no later than 3 p.m. to avoid any temporary zeros for late or missing assignments. Remember, you can always make up work, but I highly discourage that because I don't want you all to fall behind. All right, so moving on to your learning goals for today. Today we're going to analyze how the corners of each object connect to the same vanishing point. That is the key to this project, to make sure you are angling each corner to that specific point on your horizon line. And then also we want to understand that artists use tools such as rulers and mathematics to create 1-point perspective drawings. So there's a lot of math in this technique. So for those of you who are very mathematically oriented, this project is definitely for you. With that said, our central question that we discussed yesterday is, how do artists accurately depict their surroundings? They do this by showing depth in space and making things look as realistic as possible from the perspective of the viewer, from their vantage point. So whether things are larger and they're close, smaller as they're further back, things are more detailed, closer up, less detailed, further back. That would be basically how to answer that essential question. And then lastly, your vocabulary word for today is horizon line, which leads us into your first task for today. Today, the first thing you're going to do is complete your entrance ticket, as always. You're going to answer what is a horizon line and how can changing the placement of the line affect our understanding of space. So if you shift that horizon line up or down or keep it eye level, how does that affect our understanding of space, or how does that affect our point of view? So please remember that the answers for both of those questions can be found in the day 1 PowerPoint from yesterday. So please use that as a resource so you can get your easy 2 points. Even though the second question may come off as wordy or complicated, please remember that it's intended to be easy and all the information you need is in the PowerPoint. So please look at that. All right, so lastly, your last step for today is just to finish your sketch for your 1-point perspective drawing, and do this by making sure that all of your angled lines converge to that same vanishing point and that you're using a ruler for every line. That will demonstrate that you understand the technique of 1-point perspective and you're ready to move on to your final. When you're done your sketch, submit a photo of that sketch to your day 2 student progress. If you think you are ready for the final project already, just message me and I will let you know if I think you're ready. And in that event, you would use the smooth white paper I gave you for your final project. All right, so that, make sure if you do start your final project today that you press very lightly so you can erase your horizon line as needed, and also your vanishing point at the very end, you'll need to erase that as well. And then your materials list is at the bottom. Just continue your sketch, submit that photo, do your entrance ticket, and that's it. Today's a pretty easy day. Just keep chipping away at that project and message me if you need anything. I'll be at my laptop all day to help you all with your any needs you have. All right, guys, I'll see you all in class. Good luck.